Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 30. The eclipse of the sun occurs when A. Moon is not completely hidden in the Earth's shadow. B. Moon's umbra falls on some parts of the Earth. C. Moon is between the sun and the Earth. D. Earth is between the sun and the moon. Now, the eclipse of the sun is also referred to as the solar eclipse. And basically, we are asked to explain the actual phenomenon behind the solar eclipse. Now, in the solar eclipse, what happens is that the moon is between the sun and the earth. Now, when this happens, the moon casts a shadow over the earth. So it's usually associated with sudden darkness, probably like in the day during the afternoon. You just see there will be a sudden darkness. Now this is because the moon is between the sun and the earth, and then obstructing the rays of the sun from reaching the earth, and then casting a shadow over the earth. So that is the eclipse of the sun, or solar eclipse, and that is what is seen here in option C. The moon is between the sun and the earth, so C is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.